of Kotoko, the firm by 1 goal to 0. You're starting ball no pay. And I'm sure system now Ogum everyone. And the materials now we using. And I'm a catcher and mama me no more around the same. So once the sun Kotoko will lose. Because I will put 3 back. That's a win backs and any defenders are. It's in the break. Legon cities another form of a win. Into your bar with aggressiveness. Into a woo. Who got 3 back, who win backs, no, and the defenders. You say, Kotoko, I was only 3 defenders. Kotoko, I was only 3 defenders. I was back in the show. I had Justice Blade, O'Neill, and Ablo. 30 defenders were back in the show. And I will go against Team. I mean, any other of very into the house. Blade, never go anybody. But you are not trying on young ball. So I can win back. That's all. I guess I'm in the condition of what's mommy acting. I can win back. Mr. Mommy acting. I win back. So boss, mommy acting. I can win back. Our sister, our back in the show. I can play. Also, I'm the band. I'm the Jibon. I'm not born of young band. Player, I mean, you have a no china. So who will be another possible? No, I confuse.
Indeed, right now, no game in the first half of the who raised what the other mom was saying.
No, it's a miracle Kotoko. I'm not Kotoko 4/10. Yes.
So second half.
Second half, no, what I'm expect Ogum so by any sense. On Sisa Dauda, any Amidu. Non-fan lateral defenders, typical number 2 and number 3 in Bra. So I saw the 3 back system now. Oh, yes, typical I design win back. I not only so but it's our players in the bar. It's the answer, sir. Yamehu Hano, Ogum Beya.
Final score.
As a Kotoko Nipa there. You set Kotoko 3-1. Yes. So Ogum is a sack. Amidu. Not what your friend is saying. The other your friend is saying. Dauda, Amidu. Not the typical number 2 in number 3 back. No more of my 2 defenders. No more 4. Never was. Once a 3 back system, never flow with fair. Since we won't pass over
after giving him a higher message, first half, Muda from by 1 goal to 0. Game no one is saying.
No Kenny, Legon City, first half, Oma dominating. But then the friend Kuma Kumbeba, that's a boy, you bet Yashomo. First half, Uncle Yama,
Justice, Brain, baby Obono.
Oh, baby Obona, no Kenny and one. The Legon City for no ready, and we said, Hona, pressure no one to Oma Bono sound before. But when him say, Yako coach in Nakasa.
We Ogum then I'll be a second half where they attend the game.
They maintain, I said, the natural left and right position for an Akna bench. One formation now, new to the team. Who realizes and Koyeno, except what is sound, but I said, you're out there. Maybe a second half, it's such a bar. Maybe you didn't say a message to go city.
Best of mine.
3-1 on there, be a 3-1 on your show.
3-1.
Oh, you know who be that? Oh, I cry. Almost one day say, yes, I'm 3-1. To me, 3-1. And you, Ukuma Puma,
Babros,
the best.
Best about Jay.
You are the best about Aberdeen. 3, a jump it's not a bad game, but before this game, a lot of people underrated Legon cities. Again, you say Legon cities, some other fun. They are wounded lions. They have nothing to lose. Now open a trophy back or general. That is why you need to step up your game. But from the onset, you could see that Legon cities, almost going to this game, Kotoko, almost underrated. As the last performance in here and all that. But don't forget, why Pacific being factor, they play a very, very major role in this game. Now everything was showing that why Pacific being only Emmanuel Dre because we're coaching team nipping and we're home matches a lot of goals. So it means that whatever be the case, Legon City, they needed the win at all costs. They needed this win at all costs. So definitely, someone said 1 goal. Maybe a second half. There will be tactical change from Morel friend of Osman Ogum. If not that, I'm not seeing how Kotoko going to win this game.
Okay, yeah, Justin Bray. You know, you know, what the wow, Emma Kotoko this season. But I said the game, no, never answer down for 3 years, man. Go never in the crowd. What I say? No, crab born. And I'm with you, and I wouldn't want the boss say.
Justice Blay, one of the players you know this season. And a versatile player to the point that when they go center back of the ball, you saw a natural winger and also a midfielder. As they say, no, ball left roller or ball, right back or ball. It's a no, Legon City players in front of the very good, and he's not leaving any stone unturned. Legon City's players, you know, Onyabo Biana speed on the corners, they also want to expose him in a way that on your good right back, on your defender, or your midfielder, or your ball play midfielder. But along the line, if he should step up the game, he could also have his rhythm in this match.
I got 45 minutes game, and no one is ever possible.
This game, Enya Kobani said, Osman Ogum, again, they can get at least a draw. They can get at least a draw from Young Year. If Parker Sifeben decides to manage the game, the best results he could get will be a draw. But I'm not all out because there are lapses at the back of Asante Kotoko.
The last question, wow, Legon City is a baby on Mudane, points or more. Now you shall go on the Kotoko, airborne. Is this that was a small team, a big team, so you didn't know what I said. Legon City is more by inexperienced they have.
Okay, but you see, this is the Premier League. It's full of surprises. Yes, just say, Obia Bahwadin, Obia percent on surviving. And we are students of the league, you could know and you could see that every season, when you have 30 points, you are safe in the league. And so yes, say, they'll play their all out. So Legon City, they are struggling. They came into this game as the Wounded Lions. Asante Kotoko come with a second. If they get a win in this game, it will get them on top of the league. But Legon Cities, they need the points more than Asante Kotoko.
Thank you. Okay. So, Kotoko, first half,